I grab a shopping cart. I grab a shopping.cart.
Where is the rice? Where is the rice?
These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh.
I need to weigh the carrots. I need to weigh the carrots.
Check the expiration date. Check the expiration date.
I look at my shopping list. I look at my shopping.list.
I take a small basket. I take a small basket.
Can you reach that for me? Can you reach that for me?
I want some cheese, please. I want some cheese, please.
I need 3 cans of juice. I need 3 cans of juice.
Excuse me, where is the bread? Excuse me, where is the bread?
This bread feels soft. This bread feels soft.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
I get a frozen pizza. I get a frozen.pizza.
Which one is better? Which one is better?
I will put this back. I will put this back.
I need 1 kilo of chicken. I need 1 kilo of chicken.
I want some chocolate. I want some chocolate.
The shelf is empty. The shelf is empty.
I have everything I need. I have everything I need.
Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the checkout.
The line is long today. The line is long today.
I place the divider here. I place the divider here.
I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt.
Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Hear the scanner beep? Hear the scanner beep. Hear the scanner beep.
Paper bags, please. Paper bags, please.
I brought my own bag. I brought my own bag.
Put heavy items at the bottom. Put heavy items at the bottom.
What is the total? What? What is the total?
I will pay by card. I will pay by card.
Here is $20. Here is $20.
Thank you for the change. Thank you for the change.
Can I have the receipt? Can I have the receipt?
Shopping is finished. Shopping is finished. Yay!